Randy here with Retire with Options. A couple of weeks ago, I announced a Verizon experiment on my blog, and I just wanted to kind of update what that's doing now. The experiment was to start with approximately 300 shares of Verizon and collect dividends and covered calls on those for a year and see where I end up at the end of the year. I actually started with 308 shares that's in my account, and this is in a retirement account that doesn't let me use any real leverage other than the covered calls. So I can't, everything actually truly has to be covered. So I started on April 23rd and I sold three calls for $49. And on 5/1 I collected the first dividend on this for $189.84. Those first calls expired worthless. And then I sold the next set of calls for 58 calls for $94 and a penny. With that, I was able to buy 4 shares of Verizon, bringing my total share count to 312. And I then bought additional 2 shares of Verizon as I got a little bit mixed up on how my brokerage does dividend reinvestment. I actually didn't think it was going to reinvest, but later that night it actually did reinvest for me, and it bought me 3.3 shares. So I've got actually 2 share overcount on this, but I'm keeping those just because they're mine when I'm taking them out. That last set of calls was getting near worthless, so I bought it back for $7.99. So 3 new calls for $97.01. With that, I was able to buy 1 share of Verizon, bringing my share count to 319. So I've gone from 308 to 319 in about a month. Or actually about 317 if you take out these 2 shares. And that's just how you do it, how you can take your long stock that you're holding for long term and just add a little bit to it and just increase your yield. And so if you have any questions or comments, let me know down there. I appreciate your likes and subscribes, because our channel is very young. This is not going to be a flashy channel. It's just going to be just what I'm doing with this, like this. If you found it useful, let me know. And thanks, and we'll talk to you later.